What if the key to making him commit isn't just love, but something far more powerful? Number 1. The unspoken truth about trust. What's the one thing that could make or break his decision to commit? Trust is the foundation of any relationship, but it's deeper than just being honest. It's about creating a space where he feels safe to be vulnerable. Men often struggle to express their emotions, fearing judgment or rejection. When he feels that you truly understand him, without dismissing his feelings, it opens a door to deeper intimacy. Encourage open communication, not just about the big things but the little daily concerns. Show him that you value his trust by respecting his boundaries and giving him the assurance that his heart is safe with you. Trust isn't just about believing he won't betray you, it's about him knowing he can reveal his true self without losing your love or respect. This emotional safety is what he really needs before he can fully commit. If he can trust you with his insecurities, fears, and dreams, you'll find he's more willing to take that step toward a lifelong commitment. Trust is a powerful bond, and it's your key to building a relationship that lasts. Number 2. The power of support. How does your support influence his decision to commit? Men thrive when they feel supported, especially by the person they love. When a man knows you're in his corner, cheering him on, it gives him the confidence to face life's challenges head-on. Support isn't just about being there in tough times, it's about celebrating his victories, encouraging his ambitions, and believing in his potential even when he doubts himself. Show genuine interest in his goals and dreams, and make it clear that you're there to help him achieve them. This doesn't mean losing yourself in his world, but rather, creating a partnership where you both lift each other up. When he sees that you're his biggest fan, he'll feel more secure in the relationship and more inclined to commit. He needs to know that, no matter what, you're a team. Your unwavering support can be the deciding factor in whether he feels ready to take the relationship to the next level. Make sure he knows you're with him for the long haul, and watch how that commitment grows. Number 3. The importance of emotional independence. Could being too emotionally dependent push him away? Emotional independence is crucial in any relationship. Men value a partner who is self-sufficient, someone who doesn't rely solely on them for happiness or fulfillment. While emotional connection is important, it's equally vital to maintain your own identity, passions, and interests. When you show that you're happy on your own and bring that joy into the relationship, it becomes more appealing. He needs to see that you can handle your emotions and life challenges without needing constant reassurance. This independence doesn't mean being distant or detached. It means having the confidence to stand on your own while still being an integral part of his life. Emotional independence creates a balanced relationship where both partners feel secure and valued for who they are as individuals. It's this balance that often convinces a man that you're the one he wants to commit to. Show him that you're strong on your own, and he'll be drawn to the strength of the relationship you can build together. Number 4. The art of respecting space. Does he feel suffocated or supported by the space you give him? Men often need space to recharge and process their thoughts, and respecting this space can be a game changer in your relationship. It's not about ignoring him or playing hard to get, it's about understanding his need for time alone or with friends. When you respect his space, it shows that you trust him and aren't trying to control his every move. This trust fosters a sense of freedom that makes him feel more connected to you. It's crucial to find the balance between being close and giving him room to breathe. By allowing him the space he needs, you demonstrate confidence in your relationship. He'll appreciate that you understand him on a deeper level, which strengthens his desire to commit. Remember, absence can make the heart grow fonder. When he sees that you respect his space, he'll feel more inclined to share that space with you in the long term. Creating this balance is key to a healthy, committed relationship. Number 5. The impact of mutual growth. How can growing together influence his commitment? Relationships thrive when both partners are committed to personal and mutual growth. A man needs to feel that the relationship is a space where he can evolve, and that you're growing alongside him. Encourage each other to pursue new interests, learn new skills, and face challenges head-on. When you're both striving to be the best versions of yourselves, it strengthens your bond and makes the future together more appealing. This mutual growth creates a dynamic partnership, where each person feels valued for who they are and who they're becoming. It's important to have shared goals, but also to respect each other's individual journeys. When he sees that you're invested in both his growth and your own, it shows him that the relationship is built on more than just romance. It's a partnership with depth and potential. This is the kind of relationship he'll want to commit to, knowing that you're both in it for the long haul, ready to face the future together, stronger and wiser. Number 6. The role of shared values. Do your values align with his? Shared values are the foundation of any lasting relationship. Before a man commits, he needs to feel that your core beliefs and life goals are aligned with his. It's not just about having similar interests. It's about agreeing on the fundamental things that matter most in life, like family, career, and personal ethics. Take time to discuss what's truly important to both of you. When he sees that your values align, it creates a sense of unity and purpose in the relationship. This alignment doesn't mean you agree on everything, but it does mean you share a vision for the future that's compatible. Understanding and respecting each other's values leads to deeper trust and a stronger emotional connection. If he feels that your values are in sync, he's more likely to see a future with you, where both of you are working towards the same life goals. Shared values make the relationship not only more harmonious but also more resilient, making him more inclined to commit. Number 7. The influence of confidence. How does your confidence affect his commitment? Confidence is incredibly attractive, and it plays a significant role in whether a man feels ready to commit. When you're confident in who you are, it shows in how you carry yourself, make decisions, and interact with him. This confidence reassures him that you're not looking to him to fill a void but rather to complement your already fulfilling life. Men are drawn to women who are sure of themselves because it suggests that the relationship will be balanced and not dependent on constant validation. Confidence also means being comfortable with setting boundaries, expressing your needs, and maintaining your standards. When he sees that you respect yourself, he'll be more likely to respect and value the relationship. Confidence is contagious. It makes him feel more secure in the relationship and more willing to commit. He'll be drawn to your strength, seeing you as a partner who can stand beside him, not behind him. Show him your confidence, and he'll feel more confident about committing. Number 8. The magic of playfulness. Can being playful make him want to commit? Absolutely. Playfulness brings joy and lightness to a relationship, making it more enjoyable and less stressful. Men appreciate a partner who can laugh with them, who doesn't take everything too seriously, and who can turn even mundane moments into fun experiences. This doesn't mean being immature or ignoring serious issues, but rather finding ways to inject humor and positivity into everyday life. When he sees that you can be playful, it signals that the relationship will be a source of happiness and relaxation, not just responsibility and pressure. Playfulness can also help diffuse tension during disagreements, making it easier to resolve conflicts. By keeping the relationship fun and lively, you make it a place he wants to be, a place where he feels happy and understood. This lightheartedness is often what convinces him that you're the one he wants to spend his life with. Keep the playfulness alive, and watch how it strengthens your bond and his desire to commit. Number 9. The value of respecting his journey. Does he feel that you respect his life journey? Respecting his personal journey is crucial in making him feel ready to commit. Every man has his own path, shaped by his experiences, goals, and dreams. When you show respect for where he's been and where he's going, it shows that you value him as an individual. This respect means acknowledging his struggles, celebrating his achievements, and supporting his ambitions. It's important to avoid trying to change him or push him in a direction that doesn't align with his goals. Instead, offer encouragement and understanding as he navigates his path. When he feels that you respect his journey, he'll be more inclined to include you in his future plans. This respect fosters a deep emotional connection, as he sees that you're not just interested in the relationship but in him as a whole person. Respecting his journey also means being patient with his pace, knowing that commitment is a significant step that he wants to take with the right person by his side. Number 10. The importance of emotional intelligence. How does emotional intelligence play into his commitment? Emotional intelligence is key to building a deep, lasting connection. Men need to feel that their partner understands and empathizes with their emotions. This means being able to read between the lines, picking up on his unspoken feelings, and responding with care. Emotional intelligence isn't just about managing your own emotions, it's about being attuned to his as well. When you demonstrate emotional intelligence, it shows him that you're capable of navigating the ups and downs of a relationship with maturity and understanding. This creates a safe space for him to express himself without fear of being misunderstood or judged. He needs to know that you can handle the emotional complexities that come with a long-term commitment. By showing empathy, patience, and understanding, you build a strong emotional foundation that makes him feel secure in the relationship. Emotional intelligence reassures him that, no matter what challenges arise, you'll be able to face them together, making him more likely to commit. Check out this playlist of the top 10 videos on relationship advice for women, and we'll see you in the next video. With love.